Hello, I'm Heathar Shepard, and this is the Medicine Project. As part of the Medicine Project, each week we're going to do a video of health-related issues, and we're encouraging people who live far away, distant people, to email in their questions and concerns, and we will address those each week by video, and you can find that on our website.
Okay, so if I were a patient coming to you for acupuncture and advice, and what would be some of the first things that you would look for or ask me?
So as a practitioner, some of the first thing that I look for is really the treatment starts before the patient even comes. So the phone conversation and or the email will set the tone for the healing. The healing will have already began, and then the patient comes in through the door, and you kind of take note of their appearance, their demeanor, the color, their complexion, their body posture, and then they'll come in, and I'll do an in-depth intake of history, including emotional history, physical illnesses, mental, and emotional, and those can go pretty in depth. They can last anywhere from 30 minutes to over an hour. It just depends on where each person's at. And then you feel the pulse, and you check the tongue, and do palpate the channels that you think may be involved in the treatment, and palpate the abdomen, and go from there.
So what would someone come to you for?
So a lot of people, Chinese medicine is just kind of gaining popularity in Western culture, and which has some pluses and minuses. Only the minuses are that a lot of the Western culture practices and goes to people who teach traditional Chinese medicine, which is TCM, which is it's different than Western medicine in the sense that they prescribe herbs and treat via acupuncture. However, it's very symptom based. Like, you come in with a symptom and they treat that symptom. They tend to not really look at the root cause or emotions involved, and give very modern day formulas. Not a bad thing, just different. The medicine that I practice and that I studied in Portland, Oregon, is called classical Chinese medicine, which looks at the root of disease. So that being said, when a patient comes in, I've treated a lot of patients from cancer and diabetes and arthritis to allergies and the common cold. It's really not a limited. There's no limit of who can come in. Chinese medicine tends to benefit, especially chronic cases. So yeah, it's really great at treating women's health issues too, such as irregular menstruation and infertility, menopausal issues, and also really great at treating anxiety and depression.